What are growth factors? Do you need them in your skincare and do you need them for your skin? I'm a double board certified facial plastic surgeon. I'll break it down for you. So growth factors are naturally occurring in your body, in your bloodstream. These are little signaling molecules and compounds that talk to your cells to get them to do certain things. Grow blood vessels, grow parts of your skin. They also create other changes in your skin to help smooth it, build collagen, and lots of other things. Now, growth factors is sort of like, it's a catch-all term, and it's very hard to topically apply them because they're quite large, but you can actually inject them into your skin or apply them topically after a treatment like lasers and microneedling. Is there a lot of evidence for it? There's some good data to suggest that growth factors can help the quality of your skin, can help with texture, fine lines, wrinkles, all the things, and they can really take what you're doing in the office to another level when you maintain them at home. Remember, with everything in skincare, any hot topic is going to be put into every skincare product. So it doesn't mean that growth factors as a whole, no matter what product you use, are going to get into your skin and benefit them. But if you go to a practitioner like me and we inject them into your skin, or you're using them in a treatment plan like a laser, you might be getting your results taken to the next level. And don't forget, growth factors can also help you heal faster. The redness can go away faster from a laser. It can help you recover and build collagen even faster. Are you interested in how growth factors can change your skin? Let me know in the comments and I will see you in my office.